canister with an appropriate inflator head, a pair of tyre levers, and top tip, carry a pair of workshop gloves in your saddle bag. So first thing to do is put the bike into top gear, which is the hardest gear. That way the wheel's going to drop out much easier. So with the bike in top gear, pull the rear mech back slightly and the wheel should drop straight out. And with the wheel out, we'll just lie the bike down on the floor, away from the gears so nothing gets damaged. So the first tyre lever, just very gently under the bead of the tyre and hook it onto the spoke. So with your second tyre lever, work your way around the tyre until there's approximately a quarter of the tyre off. And take the old tube out. Another top tip, make sure you check the inside of the tyre. The valve hole to the top and the valve in. Feed the inner tube in. Push the valve up a few times to clear the tube from the bead of the tyre. CO2 cylinder and an adapter head. So now new tube's here, I'm going to put the wheel back into the bike. Put the chain onto the sprocket and that should drop nicely back into the frame. We're ready to go.